Hi, it's Todd Wohl, here on another series of our renovation homes here in Manhattan Beach, California. I'm at a home on 5th Street in Manhattan Beach. It's approximately 2,100 square feet. This home is going to go through a complete renovation, and we're going to take this 1950s home and make it fresh for today. So after about 4.5 months, I'm going to show you our final product. Let's walk through and follow me into 1150 5th Street. As you can see, we have added a full patio for an outdoor living space with an arbor above. Follow me through into the entrance of the home. Here we are inside the house. The original, what we would call dining room, living room, we're going to push out this wall, extend the space, create more of a family great room inside the house. We removed one of the bedrooms and made this living room far more usable and functional. And over here, you can see the dining room space that has direct access outside to the outdoor patio. As you can see over here is more of the original kitchen that had been updated over some period of time. We're going to extend this as well, create a beautiful island, a lot of cabinetry, have a great center focal point of a gourmet range oven, beautiful countertops, top of the line appliances, all stainless steel, shaker style cabinets, beautiful hardware. Makes this a very functional, easy to use kitchen. This home has 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. It's a very long, narrow house with a master in the back. So this house has original tongue and groove ceiling with beams, and we're going to keep this beach style feel. We reconfigured what was a very large bathroom into a bathroom that serves 2 bedrooms. Here's our first guest bathroom. I picked a little bit more modern style floor, full walk-in shower. So over here, we're going to put in a built-in laundry room, a in-house washer and dryer, so it's easy to use and access. Previous to this in the home, it was in the garage. Here we added a study space, a great study space for kids, for mom, dad, to do whatever they want. A linear cabinetry, very functional use of space. This area before was another family room. This room is going to be a big master bathroom and a master closet, all en suite. Walking down here into what is the master bedroom, this room is going to be reconfigured and it's going to be one of the focal points of the house. This room here now is the existing master bath. Follow me along. Here is the master bathroom suite. Extremely long his and her vanity. Beautiful detail in the lighting, adjustable oversing mirrors. And then here, an extremely large walk-in shower. And this is the back wall of the house looking out to the backyard. We're going to put a big picture window, French doors, so being in the master bedroom, you can look out, get the light, have your privacy, but at the same time watch the kids and enjoy the grounds of the property. This is going to be a focal point of the house. So here we are on the side of the house that was originally used as a patio. As you can see now, created a great space right off the kitchen for a dining potential barbecue installation, outdoor kitchen. This is a 7,500 square foot lot. A lot of versatility and opportunity in what they want to do with the backyard, if anything. We had numerous buyers discuss putting in a pool, possible volleyball court, a bocce ball court, basketball court. Got this beautiful tree that had been here probably for 30, 40 years. Thanks for being involved in this 5.5 month odyssey. and seeing this last stage of 1150 Fifth Street here in Manhattan Beach, California. I'm Todd Wohl, and I look forward to seeing you on our next renovation project.